G'day YouTubers, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. Today's video covers day 2 of the strip down of our electric vehicle project. Here we are, start of day 2. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah, it looks a good challenging job to get stuck into.
What have we got to do today? Firewall, the engine, all that stuff out?
Get the engine out.
Alternator off, bell housing bolts, exhaust off,
likelihood of success,
and then engine mounts lifted out.
Exhaust pipes going because we don't need that on an electric car. We need to take out all of the bolts that you can get it to. These rusty connections are crap. Cut through them because usually they're so bonded and tight they just don't fall apart. You can't really reuse an old exhaust pipe that much.
Especially on electric cars.
And the mufflers. Yeah, disgusting.
All the exhaust is out of there now. We're just going to start lifting the motor out in a minute.
I've got to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Benjamin. They're neither one nor the other.
Alright, shall I wiggle again?
Yeah.
Well, you got it now, take it away.
Really? Doesn't feel like it.
More weight on it?
Yeah.
No, seriously.
theoretically, no.
That doesn't fit.
I just got a big glue thing into it.
Two pumps please on the coming up. That's it. Now that way, gently. Oh, whoa, now can we go up 4 pumps?
Happy?
Go one more.
We'd like to take them off.
Yeah. Well, I ran out of interest.
I ran out of energy.
You're going to need my incredible bulk on the end of that.
Carry on yet?
Carry on.
Oh. I don't know why you just didn't cut it off here, being easier. Did you catch that?
You catch it, Steve.
Bring up the bolts. Oh, get on there. The trouble is it gets tighter and tighter and tighter, and then eventually it just pops.
Yeah, you just hit it with a hammer now and it might pop.
We're not hitting.
Goes like that.
There's not a lot of car left, and the reason for that is there's a lot of people working on it.
Oh, you got that angle right, didn't I? Yeah, that was way down the back.
There's another one down there. This is the bottom bolt on the firewall. This one's actually coming off. The other side was a bit monstered by him. Yeah, this ain't pretty, but it's all got to be repaired, so we're just going to cut this one off. Can't get it there.
Lift up, tip flat.
Oh, might be a pop. Well, maybe lift it out the back.
Yep,
I'll
lift
just
up.
get out of the way.
spot for it outside.
Sweet.
Hang on, I forgot to video that. Can we just pop it back in? At the end of day 2, stripped completely the chassis, so the engine and firewall and gearbox transfer, etc. out today. The diff's off, all the exhaust system removed. So now we can see the chassis in all the glory and all the dirty dark secrets as well. We've got a bit of a significant major repair up the front driver's side corner up here. You can see where it's been bingled, and that's bingled all the way back to here, so we'll be cutting that out and replacing the front member. And 2 workday sessions, just strip it down to that. Pretty pleased with that. That's it for today. Next week we'll be having a look at that chassis and seeing where we go with that, and we'll start the cleaning process, degreasing and cleaning up all of those bits and pieces that we've pulled off. So we'll see you then. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Ciao.